हमारे इर्द गिर्द के ममालिक चांद पे पहुंच गए हैं और अभी हम जमीन से नहीं उठ रहे।
In a recent address to the PMLN cadre in Islamabad, former Prime Minister of Pakistan Nawaz Sharif expressed admiration for India's space achievements. He emphasized that Pakistan remains earthbound while neighboring countries have touched the moon. Highlighting the nation's critical economic conditions, the leader of Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz, PMLN, underscored the Pakistan bears the responsibility for its economic downturn. Our neighbors have reached the moon, but we haven't even risen from the ground so far. It can't keep going on like this, Sharif said. Nawaz Sharif, who is running for Prime Minister for a fourth time, said in his address on Wednesday, December 28th, in 2013, we were facing severe load shedding of electricity. We came and ended it. Ended terrorism from all over the country, restored the peace of Karachi, highways were built, CPEC came, and a new era of development and prosperity began. As reported by ARY News, Nawaz Sharif reflected on his tumultuous political journey, having been ousted from power 3 times in 1993, 1999 and 2017. Sharif poses a poignant question. In the face of the present crisis in Pakistan, who bears the blame? According to him, we shot ourselves in the foot. Exploring further, he contrasts the economic landscape during his governance in 2014 when inflation was low and the roti was priced at just PKR 2 in Islamabad. He fast forwarded to today and the same roti now costs PKR 30. Sharif alleges fake cases against him, Mariam and other PMLN leaders, with convictions in 2 cases overturned by the Islamabad High Court in just 3 hearings. In a recent parliamentary board meeting in Lahore, Nawaz Sharif reiterated his call for accountability, emphasizing the importance of holding those responsible for the 2017 ouster as the country's prime minister. Sharif clarified his stance, stating that his objective is not revenge but a demand for accountability.
बेटे से तनख्वाह न ली, इसको निकाल दिया, बिल्कुल सही किया। अब वही केस आप देखें, आप 2-3 हेयरिंग्स में उन्होंने खिड़की से निकाल के बाहर फेंका उस केस को।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.